Hi, my name is John Oman. I am the president and founder of Oman Systems. Oman Construction Company was founded by my great-great-grandfather in the late 1800s. And we have, through 5 generations, been in the construction industry. In 1992, we moved from construction into construction software. So for the last 28 years, we've been in the computer software business for the construction industry.
For the past 135 years, the Oman family has remained a staple in the heavy highway and civil construction industries. Along with the construction of thousands of miles for the U.S. road and interstate system, Oman Construction led the completion of several groundbreaking projects, including the Trans-Alaskan Pipeline, Alaska-Canadian Highway, and the world's largest earth-filled dam in Oroville, California. After World War II, Oman Construction was selected to lead the expansion of the Panama Canal. The canal was widened by 500 feet, which allowed two-way traffic for the first time.
One of the unique characteristics of our company is our history. We come from this industry. We know this industry. We used to do what our clients do now. And that knowledge allows us to create products that are specifically designed for them. We are a family-run business, just like our construction business was. And it does affect how we operate. Most of our clients are multi-generational family-run businesses, and that's really what we are. We like to think of our clients as all part of our family.
In 1992, Oman Systems was created by John and his father Jack when they developed the first crew-based estimating system called Pro Estimate. As technology grew, so did the construction industry, and with that came the next generation of products, BidTap's Professional and FieldManagement Pro.
Oman Systems, to me, is something that I really enjoy doing. Every day coming in, working with our people, working with our clients, and working with our development team. I enjoy being part of this industry. It is an industry that is a long history in my family. All my life I've been around heavy highway construction, and I just enjoy doing it. And this company embodies that, I think, that all of us work towards helping our clients better perform their job.
Oman Systems was built on a rich history of family values and deep understanding of the civil construction industry. Oman Systems, advanced software for the construction industry.